And hi guys, and good day everyone. I just want to share in this video I just want to share my some of my favorite perfumes or cologne and from Victoria's Secret, and these two, this is my top one favorite, and then these three is mostly ito yung mga ginagamit ko for my daily routine. And also I have this scents from Victoria's Secret as well, and also I have this for perfume, which is I love the smell because it's sweet and it smells like candy talaga siya. And this one from Bath and Body Works naman siya, so hindi siya galing sa Victoria's Secret, pero gusto ko rin siya yung amoy niya. And also I have this Givenchy, and I have this Lancome, and this one I don't really remember what is the brand or name for these two perfumes, which is I have for a long time. I think for 2 years, 3 years, something like that. But para kasing ang cute niya, kasi para siyang pang princess. And this one I got it from Saudi nung last time na nag-visit ako doon, and then napuntahan ko siya sa isang store, and nagustuhan ko talaga yung amoy niya, so I got it. And I don't know the name, ayan, nakalagay lang kasi is BL, pero basta mabango, ayan. I don't care kung branded ba yan o ano, basta ito yung mga yan. Some of my cologne or perfumes, ito yung mga nakalabas. Ayan, kasi mahilig ako sa Victoria's Secret talaga. Hindi lang sa perfume, ayan, basta pagka meron akong nagustuhan sa Victoria's Secret, and ginagawa ko siyang collection. Kahit sa mga wallet, mga ganun, pouch, bags, ayan, hindi lang sa mga perfume. And ito yung mga nakalabas lang. Meron pa ako mga nakatago, kaso lang sabi nila kapag daw hindi ginagamit yung perfume, parang nawawalan yun ng amoy. So hindi ako sure, pero anyway, gusto ko lang siyang i-collect. So ito lang, share ko lang yung mga ginagamit ko for my everyday routine. And ito yung talagang lagi kong ginagamit, as in mayat maya, ganyan, 3 times a day. Yan, ito yan, itong yan, yung 5 na yan. And then ito, minsan pag depende sa mood ko, ayan, iba-ibang araw. And this one, so just wanna share you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.